Hey guys, welcome to my latest edition of Lazy Buyer Open House, where I bring you the home, I bring it to your screens because you're feeling maybe a little bit lazy to get out today, or maybe you got some great plans on a beautiful day like today. So that's why I'm bringing you the home in today's Lazy Buyer Open House. I actually drove 4.5 hours to show you. And no, it's not the one right behind me. I'm all the way in the southeast corner of the state of Washington in Walla Walla. So you're saying, God, Julian, why the hell would you drive so far? Well, because it's worth the drive. 4.5 hours. It's an amazing house, a unique house that has so many cool features that I would regard as one of the coolest homes I've ever sold, because I don't list or sell sucky homes. This one is amazing. The one I'm talking about is that home right there. Combination between Victorian era style with modern comfort living, all blended in one. And no, it wasn't built during the Victorian age. It was actually built in 2006. A home that I guarantee you are gonna love, because I love it. Again, I drove 4.5 hours just to show this. The house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,903 square feet. It has every comfort of modern living, as I said, but an old world charm, Victorian style, as I said. And I'm gonna show you a cool feature about this house as I show you the outside. Now, one thing I'll tell you about what Walla Walla means, it's Native American language. It means, Walla Walla means many waters. And it's perfect for this home because it has many features, and it does have its own water. Yeah, unique water for you to enjoy. It has its own creek that goes alongside the house, and then it kind of creeps into the backyard. I'm gonna show you, it's spectacular. So stick around for that. Look how beautiful. It's beautiful gardening. It's a huge blend of, for all you gardeners, people that really don't wanna really get too much into gardening because you're like, oh man, I want to spend all day. It's not a whole mess of gardening, I'm going to show you, but still it's so beautiful enough that it's worth upkeeping to make it look spectacular. So this is a 2-story house. I'm going to take you right in, check this beautiful house. Cool door. I love the accent door, little aqua there. Now, check it out. Some nice little benches. You can sit here, watch people walk by, enjoy some coffee in the morning, the newspaper or your tablet. Newspaper's old school, right? As soon as you come in, there I am. But look how beautiful this foyer. Beautiful. Takes you right upstairs. I'm gonna show you this room. Now look at the size of the ceiling. I couldn't measure it. I can't get up there, but I know it's humongous wongus. It's huge, right? Right as you come in, look how nice, beautiful. Now this is what I call, a lot of people might call it a living room. I call this a great room, right? It's a new modern term where you blend kind of the living room, the family room, and the kitchen together. It's more like a great room. Beautiful hardwood floors, guys. And I'm gonna tell you one thing. As I show you this video, if I show you this house, this open house, and you're looking around, hey, I like that lamp. Oh, I like that chair. Oh, I like those pots and pans. Everything comes with the house. Let me repeat it. Everything, all the furniture comes with the house. If you don't want it, that's fine. The sellers will take it back with them, but they'd rather just leave it here. They don't want to take it back to Montana. So again, their loss for the entire house and the furniture is your gain. So everything can be yours. Everything is total turnkey. You can't beat this. Look how beautiful, long, big windows, bringing a lot of light. Oh, I love it. Yes, the TV comes too with it if you want the house. Beautiful, humongous, and look at these ceilings. These are 10-foot ceilings. Beautiful. Look at the artwork around the framing, the crown molding. The crown molding. Look how beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, take you now to what I love is this kitchen. Granite top of this island. Gas stove. Watch. Gas stove. I love me some gas stoves. I know there were talks a couple of years ago about getting rid of gas stoves. Yeah, right. Okay. Everybody loves a gas stove. Look how beautiful this is. The refrigerator, a couple of years old only. All the pots and pans come with the house again. What I love about this, guys, is that it has electricity, so it has its own little microwave here. If you want to work, do your work there, it's a little breakfast bar. There's also an outlet right there. So you can plug in your computer or laptop and do some work there. Another cool feature about this house, what I love me, is if you lots and lots of cabinet space. Check this one out. Little rollout. That cool or what? You don't have to dig in, way in there. You just kind of pull it out. It's just fantastic. I love it. I completely love it. So many cabinets. Look at all these cabinets up there. I mean, there's no way you have so many things that you don't have enough cabinets. Well, maybe my mother. She has so many things she needs to get rid of, right, mother? So, how about this? Oh, man. So many cool things. Oh, and this one, like, even if you look at something like these here. Oh, look at this. More room. Slide it out. There you have the mixer, your toaster. Over there is the dining room. Show you around there. Go a little bit, might go a little bit slower for you. Look how nice, right? Every little breakfast there, a little get together. But if this brings you just a little closer. Oh, and the wine bottles come too with the house if you buy. Well, if you're gonna come to Walla Walla, I'll tell you what, you probably like wine. So it does come with the wine bottles. For all of you that are from out of Walla Walla and want a second home, well, that's basically what these owners had. They have a home in Montana, came out here, several times a month just to enjoy the wine, enjoy the great life in Montana. So again, you don't have to buy furniture. It's all here, just turnkey, and let's get the party going, right? So as soon as I saw you, I just showed you the kitchen, kind of in here, show you that's a half bath. It's a half bath. It's a half bath, it's a bath. Okay, now this is what I think is cool, is that you can make this into maybe a pantry. They kind of, the owners before had it as kind of like a closet room, but I would do this as a kind of a pantry. Don't mind the the gallons of paint here, but it's good. You need the paints to match if anything were to happen, but maybe put some of your canned goods there. And then you have an extra in here, an extra room. There you can put your coats. So I like this room, okay? Now, before I take you upstairs, and it's gonna be worth going upstairs, I swear to you, you're not gonna believe the primary bedroom. To me, it's the coolest feature, the most beautiful feature of this home, and it has a lot, right? It's like Walla Walla, a lot of water, many waters. Well, this one's many cool things. Take you into this single car garage, super nice. Concrete, there you go. It's been polished. It's nice. The floor, but look how nice. Nice and cleanly kept. A lot of storage space there. A lot of shelving to put your stuff. Okay, that takes you outside. I'll show you that in a short bit. Okay. So there's one good thing. Another cool thing about this home is that it's nice and cool. Why? Because the owners took out the old system, the HVAC system, and put in a new one. They just kind of gutted the system and they put a new one just a few years ago, rather. There you have your monitor. There you go. Very modern. All right, so I'm gonna take you now to upstairs. Let's close the door before flies come in. All right, so remember I told you we're gonna go upstairs, and the primary bedroom is the one that everybody loves. You're gonna love this primary bedroom. Check this out, pow. Look how beautiful, elegant. I mean, all the light fixtures in this house are just amazing. The original architect, the builder did an amazing job. I'll give him his props. He did an amazing job. Look how high the ceiling is. It's just fantastic. Now you have another cool feature about this primary bedroom. It's a his and hers, hers and his, her and her, his and his closet. I don't want to offend anybody. And same thing here. Look how nice. Look how nice this. Beautiful, right? Oh, again, great feature. Love it, love it. Can't get enough of that. Window, you're looking outside. Thanks for that neighbor in the back. They loved your gardening. It's just beautiful. Waking up in the morning, maybe put your laptop right there and work from this spot. You can't beat this view. How beautiful. So your primary bedroom's also your office. And yes, you did see something. Julian, what the hell is that? Guys, look, this is luxury, right? This is something you see at the W Hotel or wherever it may be, Palm Springs. It's the primary, the ensuite bathroom. Look how beautiful. Very, very chic. Very nice, tastefully done, which I love. Double vanity. I love these medicine cabinets. I did the wrong way. There you go. Both of them open up. Marble floors. I almost killed myself. That wouldn't be good. I killed myself in my own open house. But that's nice, right? Super, super nice. So let's move on with this open house. Take you to the other two rooms. Remember, we're talking about, in case you're just joining me, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The half we just saw, we saw 1 full bathroom right now in the primary bedroom, and it's 1,903 square feet, and they used every square foot to just dazzle everybody. So coming right in, check out this room. It's huge. Huge room, huge closets. Open it up for you. Look how huge. It's a huge closet, but I know you want to see the room, so let's give you a look at this beautiful room. I love the chandelier. Angela, you did a good job, a great job of getting this. It's spectacular. I'm going to show you this in just a short bit why I think it's so spectacular. But look how nice. Lots of light in here. Angela, you got good taste. Thank goodness. Look how nice. Crown molding. Beautiful carpets are, but to me, low maintenance. I love this pattern of leaves. Take you now to the other full bathroom. Double vanity again. Also marble flooring. It's a tub. What I like about this bathroom also is that it has its own towel closet. Yeah, towel closet. I guess that's what you call it, towel closet. Nice. Okay. Very nice. And just like the other one, this one opens up. Tell you some great features this architect, developer did in this house. Nice little chandeliers. Chandeliers, I love it here. Now check this out. This is the other room, third room. Look how huge this is. This is the size of a lot of primary bathrooms, bedrooms rather. Super nice. I love it. So I told you there's gonna be a cool feature, right? I told you in the other room, there's gonna be a cool feature. Check how cool this is, all right? This is what my great friend Angela and Jeff found. So you saw the chandelier, right? In the other room? Check this out. Look how cool this is. Watch, watch. So if you want to save a little bit of electricity, save some money, you could turn on your own fan. Turn off the AC, turn on the fan, and it just hides and it just comes to life when you push the little button. That is super cool. I told Angela, man, I need to get myself one of those. This is awesome. I want to put one in my Jeep. That is so cool. But again, it's a great feature. You can save on electricity by turning on the fans and turning off the total AC. Boop. Let me turn that off. So what do you think? An amazing house, huh? So many things. Let me show you a different angle here. Look how nice. Now I'm going to take you downstairs. I'm going to show you the back. See how cool this is. Again, I told you hardwood floors. Oh, I forgot to show you something. Look at the stained glass. Is that nice or what? Beautiful. You saw the chandelier right there. I love that. Very cool. I'll take you out to the back. Now, you recall I told you that Walla Walla means many waters. I showed you the outside, the little creek that goes on the side. Check out this backyard, how cool this is, how nice and awesome this totally is. So you had a long day at work, kind of want to enjoy some with a couple of drinks, bring some friends over, family, friends, whatever it may be, maybe do a little barbecue. You come out here and you see this as your backyard with Mr. Squirrel just looking out. Look how nice and beautiful this is. So you see, look how beautiful. The flowers already blossoming out here. very nice. Obviously, squirrels are not very brave out here, but look at the creek. Look how beautiful and great. So you can imagine just chilling out here. Low maintenance backyard. It's total low maintenance, right? It's nice and quiet. Your neighbors take care of the yard, and that's what you need. Something visual that your neighbors take care of, because it brings value to your house if they're taken out. But it's just relaxing back here. And especially if you're gonna have this as a second home, maybe low maintenance, you don't have to hire somebody to cut the grass. Or if you're gonna live here permanently, you don't have to cut the grass. So it's a good opportunity to come out here and enjoy backyard without doing major things. I'm gonna show you, in case you couldn't see in the other video, look how nice. So the creek comes from the side of the house, turns right there, and then it goes into the neighbor's house. So many things that this house has to offer that I can't process. I can't keep it all in my mind. I know I'm missing a couple of things, but if you want more information about this house, please reach out to me or reach out to your broker. If you already have your broker, please don't. I don't want to get in trouble. But all my information is down below. My name is Julian Gonzalez, and I'm a real estate broker with RSVP Brokers ERA, and I'm here to help you, to connect you with a combination of the past with Victorian style era architecture with modern living, as you saw inside. It's a house that definitely is worth coming out here, and definitely a house that I'm pretty sure you're gonna fall in love with. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in to my latest edition of Lazy Buyer Open House, where I bring you the home, this spectacular home, to your screens for you to consider. Have a great day, guys.